Hey, my name is Alex. I work at the Graphomate software company in Kiel, Germany. We produce visualization plugins for various BI solutions to give you better options for your data visualization. Today, I'd like to give you a brief introduction into our matrix component for Microsoft Excel, but it is also available for various other BI solutions. First of all, you need a data source. As you can see, I prepared a data source already for this purpose. It can also include formulas. Our matrix will process these perfectly fine. To actually add the matrix to your worksheet, you use the add-ins button. Then press Get Add-ins. This will open the store. There you search for graphomate. And there you got it, graphomate matrix. Just add it to your worksheet, and there you will have it. Okay. To actually select data, you press the Select Data button, surprise, and select the data you want. Press OK, and there it is. The matrix also automatically turns your data into dimensions and measures and realizes that there is a hierarchy within your data, which you then can collapse and expand. There's also a hierarchy. Now, to actually turn this into a meaningful visualization, we have various tools within our toolbox. To open this toolbox, you click on the little cogwheel icon, and there is it. There it is. It's called the Graphomate property sheet. Let's move this over a little so we can have a good look at everything happening. Maybe, first of all, we would like to add a deviation. Alright, to click into the deviation box, and another click will open the dialog. And there you choose if it's a percent deviation or absolute deviation. I choose a percent deviation, then you choose measures and choose sales and sales forecast as your members. And there is the deviation, as quick as this. Okay. Now maybe we would like to get some more visual information about our data, like a background bar within the cells. To introduce these, you go to the Chart Specific tab and click in the background bar box. Now this adds background bars to all cells. To actually tell the add-in to only put these in the two member columns, you need to use a filter. Yeah, so you create a filter by clicking into the box and then again tell it to use the selected measures and select sales and sales forecast, and then you have your background bars just in the two columns in which they should appear. Afterwards, maybe it's a good idea to introduce some scenarios, because sales is an actual measure, but sales forecast is a forecast measure, and we would maybe like to differentiate between the two. So you go to the Start tab, or actually the Data tab, which is the first tab when you open the Graphomate property sheet, and then there's Scenario Assignment. You click in it and create a scenario for actual. These are predefined according to IBCS standards. Then you select the according measure actual, and because we check the scenarios in column headers, or it is actually checked, we can also unselect this or uncheck this, but because it is checked, you'll also have a visual representation within the header. Then click on the plus icon to add another scenario assignment. And this time we'll choose forecast, and again have to create a filter for measures and only sales forecast this time. And then we'll have the background bars with the according scenarios assigned to it in our matrix. So sometimes it happens that you select one of these cells accidentally. To not have this happen, you just simply choose runtime data selection none, so it won't happen again. You can still do this, but you're not really selecting any cell. As you can see, these are not really in order, so we can actually sort these, because for some reason they don't get sorted automatically. We just choose the dimension month and expand this a little, and then we have our members here, and we can sort these manually the way we want. That should be correct now. Yeah. All right. So now our months get actually sorted correctly. It's just because the matrix doesn't know anything about months. This is just a dimension, but it's not really a date. All right, I think that should be it for today. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments.